Howdy folks, Mark Serbu, gun designer, gun nut. It's a mess. This place is a mess. Even more so than usual. I mean, just look. We've been at this moving out thing for a couple weeks. Yes, we finally found a place to move to, and holy crap, it was tough. We pretty much found the only place that would allow us to be there. That's pretty bad. And it was always, insurance regulations. And we're not even talking about being allowed to test fire in the building. We're talking about just in general being there. We can't test fire in the building we're in. We have to go to a completely different place to test fire. So my God, it's not at all like it was when we moved here 8 years ago. And as you can see, the CNC machines are the last things to go. Well, actually it looks like everything's the last thing to go because it's such a mess. I mean, we put so much stuff into the new shop, and yet there's a ton of stuff here. Not even a ton, probably, I don't know, 1,000 tons, but whatever. We'll get through it. One thing I wanted to bring up is, first of all, I'm on my buddy's podcast again, or my buddies. Buddies? What's the plural of buddies? It's Oh Great This Show. Lots of fun, and I suggest you watch that. I've got a link here in the description, and because there's some crazy stuff that I talk about, some actually outright, I don't know. Let me know if it's a felony that's going on in here or if it's just a misdemeanor. But in any case, I'm sure the statute of limitations have run out. So have? Let me know that too. Is it has or have? And is it a felony or is it a misdemeanor for you legal types? But yeah, it was a long time ago. It was crazy. I kind of regret it, but it's a good story anyway. Nutty story. So anyway, the other thing I want to talk about is the BFG 50As that are bound for Virginia. And I didn't even think about this, but Virginia's got a lot of really awful gun laws that are about to go into effect. I think it's sometime in July. And so somebody's like, hey, can I get my gun before July, whatever the July deadline is? I'm like, holy crap, that might be an issue for a bunch of you. So let me know in the comments or email us directly, please. If you're in Virginia and you're waiting for a BFG 50A, we can definitely get you, if not an entire gun, we can get you a receiver, so at least you legally own the thing. And of course it can be sent back here to be completed. And that's one of those things. We did this in California back in 2004 when they banned the 50 BMG. It's we sent receivers in there and they got completed over, we were completing some of these things decades later. It was kind of messy logistically, but it mostly worked out. So yeah, just let us know, because I'm all about trying to get around stupid laws. They've got a bunch of stupid ones, and it sucks because I grew up in Virginia and it was pretty good when I was there, and it's getting to be worse and worse. It's like they're trying to become the next California, which is not something you want to really strive for, So anyway, that's about all I got for you. Nothing cool and gun related except for this, mess of going from one shop to the other. Oh, it's awful. And we're gonna have to do this again in a few years, because I am buying a building. And that's it. I could have bought this one. I'm so mad because look at this place. It's not huge, but it's 6,000 square feet, and it's got incredibly tall ceilings. I could have had a luxury apartment over there and lived in this place and rented out my current place and done all kinds of neat stuff, but I don't know, I screwed up. I could have written a check for it years ago, but I thought that the economy is going to crash and then I'd just be able to buy something on 20 acres up north a bit, and no, didn't happen. So yes, your government can print money nonstop for many, many years, and it still doesn't crash the economy. All right, thanks, folks. Appreciate you watching as always. I'll catch you next time. I will not miss that light. In fact, I think I'm going to probably shoot it before I leave here. I'm not going to shoot it while it's up there. I'm going to bring it down and shoot it.